Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy AI application to use. And this is pretty much similar to all of those AI applications. So down here you have the message section where you can pretty much enter what you want to ask the AI. As you can see here, I'm going to ask the AI just a simple question. As you can see here. And per message, you're going to need 1 star to message the AI, so do keep that in mind. So at the top here, you can pretty much see how much stars you have or credits. So if I do tap on this option, it will show you the subscription page, but it's going to tell you how much credits you have. So 1 credit per message. So do keep that in mind. So you may need to get the subscription very soon if you're going to use this application here seriously. So down here now you have the message section as I showed you guys before, and as well you can tap on this option here to go ahead and select the AI models that you want to use. As you can see here, you have a lot of open AI models which you can use. You have the Gemini models which you can use, and you have the Claude AI models which you can use. And most of these are pretty much pro subscription, so you're going to need a subscription to even use any one of these AI models. And as well, the ones with the pro option at the bottom, like for example, this one here, without the pro sign, those we able to use it for completely free. So if I do tap on this option here and tap on the save option. So once I've done that, I'll be able to use that AI model without the subscription. So that's pretty much it for that here. We do have a lot of other things which you can do. You have the image generator option. You can tap on this here and select the image generator tool. So once you have selected that, it will enable the image generator option, and you pretty much can enter what you want to generate. Let's say I want to generate a cat, you can go ahead and enter that I want to generate a cat, but pretty much will need a subscription to use this feature here. So you keep that in mind. So it's more likely a subscription based application, but it will just give you 5 to 6 stars to test out the application. That's really pretty much it. And as well, you do have the plus icon here, which can upload your images, can either take a picture right away using the camera option, or you can go in your gallery section, or you can go in your file section to upload a document or anything you may want the AI to analyze, or photos that you may want to upload in cases. So down here you have the mic option. If you're tired or you're lazy to type, you can use that option here as well. So similar to sending voice note, you can use that option. And that's really pretty much it for the application. So very easy to use. And once you tap on the option at the top your sidebar, you'll be able to go and sign in and as well get their subscription that they are offering. So if you want to get their subscription, you can use either tap on the professional mode, or you can go at the top here and tap on this, and you'll be able to pretty much get your subscription. As you can see here, they do offer a 3 days free trial, and as you can see here, it's pretty much $0, and then you'll start paying their fee. So that's really pretty much it. I pretty much get access to everything as it relates to the application. And at the top here, you may have a little box icon. You can tap on that option here to pretty much see all the chats that you have had with the AI application here. As you can see, image generated section that I've tried to use, but I need subscription to use, and as well the other chat sections here. So I can tap on the 3 dots here to either pin the chat or the conversation, as well delete it, or I can just give it a different name if I want to remember where the chat is. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very, very decent and good AI application to use. There are different features which you can use as well. As you can see here, you can test out any one of these AI, let's say image prompts. So you can just tap on, let's say for example, this one here, upload your image, and you pretty much get similar results like that. So that's really pretty much it for that. And you can tap on see more option to see all the templates, I would say templates, which you can use with this application. So if I miss anything at all, please comment below. God love. See you guys in the next one.